Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vipul Kumar, and in this video will walk you through how to set up and deploy a Next.js project in using AWS Amplify Gen 2. If you are looking for easy and fast way to build and host your web application, so this is a perfect solution. Let's go started. So firstly, you need to log in the AWS console. If you don't have one, you can create a free tier account on AWS. Once you log in, and once you log in, so we will take a login. After the login, you can search the AWS Amplify in AWS account. If you come in the first time in AWS, so you can search from here AWS Amplify. Otherwise, we choose this one. This is a recently visit, so we choose the AWS Amplify. So now let's start a new Amplify project. So after open the AWS Amplify, you can create a new app. You uh, you can click on the new app and select and host a web app. Here you have option to connect your project with Git. For this tutorial, we will use a existing template which will be available in AWS Amplify. This is existing templates. We choose the templates in Next.js. So we choose these templates. This is already built. We make a new repo and we take a name for uh, Insta. We make a name for this repo Insta. Now our this repositories will be created in our GitHub code. So now next we connected to our Git repository. You can use the GitHub, GitLab or Bitbucket also. Select your preferred provider, authenticate your account and choose the repository where your Next.js project will be stored. So we choose the GitHub and click on the next. Once you there have many option. Now we will create this Insta repo. So if we have a multiple branch, so we have option to search our branch. Otherwise, it will be automatic running in the main. After that, we will click on the next. Once you will selected the repository in AWS Amplify, it will automatically set up the build and deploy your process. Just review the setting, click save and deploy, and a few minutes your application will be on live. So now we have another option also, environment variable. So we have option also to keep cookies or cache key or not. So we enable this code and click on next. Guys, we also set up whole project, and now the time to save and deploy. After deploying, it will be take 7 to 8 minutes to host our applications. So deployment process will be running. Guys, our code will be deployed. See guys, our code will be deployed. Now we simply click on this link. This is our temporary domain, and we will check our project will be online. So we make it to do app, and there have option to make some a dummy templates. So now the time we will clone this project in our local VS Code, local machine. So we use the simply open the VS Code. So when you open the VS Code, you can show this the welcome page, and after that we go to the clone repository, clone from GitHub, and our this the latest repo will be also available in the list of Git clone. So we clone the insta and take the location. After that, our project will be cloning. Simply click on this window. Yes, I trust this. Now, guys, now we have this page. This is our pre-built template. We have a code for our landing page. This is a to-do code. So we can simply edit or redesign our code. This is our simple pattern, simple templates is available. So our first thing, to put your JSON file here. So we simply download the JSON file from here. We deploy backend resources and download the output.json. Also our JSON file, the location. We just simply change the name. Now guys, just copy paste here. So our JSON file, updated JSON file will be available here. So now we will test in the local npm store. So firstly our work to install all dependency. So we just simply click on the npm install. Now our code will be running in the local. So you can test in the local host also. You can check the local host 3000. So we show our code will be running. So if you checking in the cloud temporary domain, so that the same code and local is the same code. So now we will try to change some things. We change this form, or we can change it. I just show you how to change. I will show you this message, app successfully hosted. So we just simply go to the our code, and this is our pattern. We go to the app and page tsx and check the where it, yeah, this message I will show here, app successfully hosted, and for youtube YouTube video. Okay, we show this message and simply save and check again in local. You can show here, there will be show app successfully hosted for YouTube video, and in cloud it will be show app successfully hosted trying catching a new to do. So now you can check here also, there is only one deployment available. So database, it will be use the DynamoDB. So now you just simply go in our machine, our ID, and simply just push this code, and you can check your code will be will be automatically deployed, because with the AWS Amplify we have a pre-built templates that make it easy to start coding right away. We can customize our project, add new features, or modify existing components as needed. The best part is the AWS Amplify handle deployment automatically. Whenever we make changes in the code and push them to our Git repo, Amplify detect those updates and redeploy the application without any manual error. This ensures that our latest version is always live, reducing deployment time and making the development process more efficient. Now I will show you now I will show you how I push this code and it will be start deploying automatically. So let's do it. We will simply start to commit and push our code because we will change this line app successfully hosted for YouTube video, and now the time it will be showing here app successfully hosted, try catching a new to do. And in deployment we also seen our deployment history. We have only one deployment, it's also auto build. So now we will just simply commit and push our code in git repo. So we use the git command, git, sorry, use the git command, git added. So we the one the git commit m and simply uh, change text for YouTube video. We make this we make this comment to file will be changed, and now we will push in the origin. So we use the git push origin name. So after we will push our code, you can go to the AWS Amplify console. You can check. You can check, guys. Your deployment will be automatically running. So this setup is especially useful for teams as multiple developers can work on different features, push their changes, and Amplify will handle everything in the background. No need to worry about server configuration and manual deployment. Everything is automated. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and like this video.